This is the Synthetic Signal Report for Monday, July 20th, 2026 in the morning. Today, we analyze the surge in exploit pricing, the expansion of pharmaceutical-scale AI computing, the use of large language models for automated handwriting recognition, and the critical discovery of major permission vulnerabilities in the SurrealDB platform. The barrier to entry for high-impact cyber attacks continues to collapse. Research released today highlights that exploit brokers are now paying up to $500,000 for remote code execution vulnerabilities in WordPress. The report demonstrates how researchers are leveraging GPT 5.6 to identify these critical flaws at a cost of only $25. This signifies a shift in the exploit economy, where the cost of generating a weaponized vulnerability has decoupled from the market value of the exploit itself. The ease with which an autonomous agent can perform deep code analysis against common web stacks suggests that the vulnerability backlog for standard platforms is now being systematically exhausted by AI-driven discovery tools. A critical series of security failures has been identified within the SurrealDB database platform. The flaws, numbering over a dozen, range from authorization and authentication bypasses to denial of service attacks. Specifically, in versions before 3.1.5, attackers can exploit graph edge traversals to read data from tables they are explicitly denied access to. Furthermore, the system fails to validate namespace and database scopes in custom API routes, allowing authenticated users to move laterally across isolated environments. Most concerning is the vulnerability in the RPC handler that allows unauthenticated attackers to crash the entire server via a single malformed WebSocket message. Infrastructure teams currently running SurrealDB must audit their permission schemas immediately and move to the latest patched releases to prevent arbitrary data leakage and service disruption. Bristol-Myers Squibb has announced the construction of an AI supercomputer, marking it the third major pharmaceutical firm to pursue this infrastructure strategy in less than 9 months. By integrating large-scale NVIDIA hardware directly into their drug discovery pipelines, these companies are aiming to simulate molecular interactions at unprecedented speeds. This shift confirms that the next generation of life sciences research is no longer defined by wet lab throughput alone, but by the ability to manage massive, high-density compute clusters locally. The industry is moving toward a model where the physical discovery of medicine is an extension of digital architecture design. Researchers have introduced a closed-loop AutoML framework that utilizes GPT-5, GPT-4o, and Claude Sonnet 4 as autonomous architects for neural network design. This system automates the creation, training, and refinement of handwritten optical character recognition models across multiple languages. By removing human engineers from the neural architecture search process, the framework iteratively optimizes performance based on real-time feedback loops. This is a signal from the future for software development. It demonstrates a transition where AI models are not merely writing code, but are actively designing the underlying computational structures required to interpret complex, non-standardized human inputs. Community sentiment is currently dominated by two themes: extreme caution regarding AI-driven exploits and the struggle with physical infrastructure scaling. First, the Hacker News community is debating the ethics and impact of using AI to generate exploits that are then sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars. There is a palpable sense of exhaustion among security researchers as the rate of discovery outpaces the human capacity for patching. Second, there is significant frustration regarding the R&R desert in rural areas, where infrastructure neglect, such as aging electrical systems, prevents even simple recreational businesses from modernizing their tech stacks without a total overhaul. Third, community sentiment remains highly critical of the European Union's proposal to share sensitive citizen data with the United States in exchange for visa-free travel. Developers and privacy advocates are framing this as a direct threat to the integrity of European digital identity systems. Finally, no new notable emerging tools were reported on GitHub today, as the community appears focused on the urgent task of auditing their current environments against the wave of disclosures surrounding platforms like SurrealDB.